look like he has some money. It looks like he comes from wealth. Back again with another video. So you know what that means? Another trip in the Tesla. Whoo! This is 2 back-to-back trips, 2 weeks in a row. So the last trip was 1 day. Bummer. You know what I'm saying? But this time we got one for 3 days. We're gonna see how that one gonna be. Now we just gotta take these pictures and we're gonna be good. So everything is done. I just wanted to spray some new car smell up in here, just to give it that new car smell. Oh shit! Get these damn mess up in here. So. Oh hell no! What the hell? Who left that up in here? That shit, my tire pop it. Back here in the empty garage, Tesla has been rented out. Actually, you know what? My guy looked like he's visiting the US actually. Looked like he's coming from Israel, from Palestine. Welcome, brother. Thank you for choosing my Tesla. I ain't gonna lie to you, you might be a prince. Bro was about this tall, so you know what that means? If he get into an accident, he gonna pay for it in cash. I'm not even tripping. Look like he has some money. It looks like he comes from wealth. So I have no fears at all. I don't care what he do. I don't care where he go. I know I'm covered. And I took 30 pictures. I'm covered. But yeah, so a 4-day trip, some good money this week. Back-to-back trips. I'm excited, man. The masks are coming down, so you know what? The masks come down, the money. Now we just need the Camaro to get rented. Maybe I need to drop the price down. I don't know. Maybe I'll experiment with that this week. It's kind of like you gotta go fishing, you know? So you gotta dangle some bait out there. So I'm gonna probably put it on a discount. Maybe, what's today? Today is Tuesday. So on Thursday, I'm gonna cut the price and see if somebody takes the bait for the weekend. Not cut the price, but I'm gonna put a discount on there and see if I get a bite. I need a bite. Who gonna buy it? You gotta be quicker than that. Come on, you gotta go fishing. We going fishing. You gotta reel him in. Whoa, whoa, we already got the Tesla. Now we just need another one.